Alright, what's good, world? Look, man, it's your boy Sean been the 618, man. Real quick, man, I just got this in the mail today, and I'm about to go ahead and throw it on my Dodge Challenger. This is basically the claw decal, the one I'm pretty sure y'all see. It goes over the eyelids, whatever, right here and right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on tonight, real quick for you. I already started opening it, so before I get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to go to subscribe to that channel right now. Do it. All right, we about to go ahead and get this on. Let's go.
Rick, and that is
one day, promise that we will be rich. One day, I'ma start hard in the bitch. One day, I'ma pull up in the wheel. One day, young nigga, I've been the shit. One day we'll be rich, cover me and go.
Okay, so here's a few items that you're gonna need in order to get this process done. Scissors, rag to clean it off. You can use alcohol, any type of anything that's gonna clean the surface off. I didn't really have any alcohol on me, so I got hand sanitizer. All right, so you just dab a little bit of hand sanitizer. I'm gonna try to do this video with one hand. It might be hard, but we'll give it a try. All right? So look, just dab a little bit of this over the car, over the layers where you about to put it at. You know what I'm saying? Get it on there real clean, real nice. All right? Now, if that's done, let's get this package open. And like I said, bear with me, I'm using one hand. All right. Package is open. I went ahead and chose the black decal. And it came with some of them cleaning things in there. Yeah, but I went ahead and chose the black decal. It's gonna look better with the silver and the black. That's what I've been going for. All right, so first thing you want to do after you get this open is go ahead and just cut it across, because this is your bottom one, this is your top one. So let me do this first. All right, and there you have it. Look, I couldn't really show you guys the process because I needed both of my hands, but it was pretty simple. You just got to make sure you get everything on point. So I did the best I could with this. I think it came out good as far as the evenness of it. So right here at the end, when you're done, right, because you got this little pieces right here, you're not gonna be able to get your hood up. Got little bubbles there. But all right, you just want to go ahead and cut across. Just go ahead and cut across. Just cut across. Simple. All right, got a little access. Just cut that up. A razor would be easier. Then when you're done, just make sure all these little parts right here are sealed. You can get those little pieces later. Just make sure all that's sealed off, right? Ooh, and there you have it. My new claw decal on the Challenger. All right. Simple, right? Super simple. All right. I'm gonna have a link to the description of where I purchased this at. It was only $8 on Amazon. It will be in the description. And other than that, man, hope y'all like it. All right, let's get it.